How to get the Valentine notes on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. With the Valentine's week, Instagram has released its Valentine's theme on the notes of Instagram, whereby you can add a note with special effects. So, first of all, head over to Play Store or App Store, search for Instagram and update the app. Then, after launch it, and head over to the messenger icon on the top right corner. Tap on your notes and then drop a heart from the emoji section. Once you share it, you will notice spatial impact on the page as well as the Valentine effect on your note itself. Additionally, you can also leave extra notes by writing the words and sharing it. You will get the similar feature for the Valentine notes. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Also, if you have any question, do not hesitate to drop on the comment section.